Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to talk about a product that's gaining a lot of popularity, the Jxrev Wireless Earbuds J51. I'll be diving deep into all the features, benefits, and potential downsides of these Bluetooth 5.3 earbuds, so you can make an informed decision before buying. If you're looking for earbuds that combine sound quality, comfort, and durability, stick around until the end of this video. Let's start by discussing what makes the Jxrev J51 an attractive choice. These earbuds come with the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology, ensuring a stable and low-latency connection. But what does that mean in practice? It means you'll have an uninterrupted experience whether you're listening to music, watching videos, or taking calls. Plus, they connect automatically to your device as soon as you open the charging case, saving you time and making them super convenient for daily use. Now, let's talk about sound. If you're picky about audio quality, you're going to like this. The Jxrev J51 features 13mm drivers that deliver hi-fi sound with deep bass and well-defined mids. This provides an immersive listening experience, perfect for those who appreciate every detail in their music. Additionally, the built-in noise cancellation in the microphone is a huge plus. It reduces ambient noise during calls, ensuring your voice is heard clearly, even in noisy environments. Another positive aspect is the ultra-lightweight design. Each earbud weighs just 3G, making them extremely comfortable for extended use, whether during workouts or work. The ergonomic design ensures they fit perfectly in your ears with no risk of falling out during more intense activities. The charging case is also compact and easy to carry, ideal for those who are always on the go. And what about durability? The Jxrev J51 is rated IP7 waterproof, meaning they can withstand sweat and even water immersion, making them perfect for sports and use in adverse weather conditions. In terms of battery life, they offer up to 8 hours of continuous playback on a single charge and a total of 32 hours when used with the charging case. And with fast charging via USB-C, you won't have to worry about running out of battery. So, if you're looking for earbuds that offer excellent sound quality, extreme comfort, and a host of useful features, the Jxrev J51 is a choice worth your attention. I've left a link in the video description for you to check out more details and grab yours. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.